Hey, Mom.
Hey, my dear child, how are you?
Nobody in this family respects me anymore. Go ahead, tell
I
the
am
kids I'm the
good.
bad guy again.
What
You
sound is this
always act like you're
behind?
carrying this
Is
family alone.
everything oak?
Who are you talking to? Hang up the
Everything is
phone.
fine, dear. Don't worry. Oh, bye, Elena. I will talk to you later.
Take care. My mother carried mountains on her shoulders, but never let us see how heavy they were.